Hello traders, this is the official video from the CScalp team. My name is Paul and today we will talk about the basic rules of working with passwords. This topic is quite relevant for every trader and in this video we will present our security recommendations. The first one is the password strength. The first rule is to use long passwords that contain numbers and letters at the same time. Capital letters will be also okay. The main thing is that the password is not supposed to be like 12345 or QWERTY. The length of the characters must be greater than 8 and it will be better if the password is generated randomly. For example, through a password manager. I will talk about this a little bit later. One-time password or OTP. You must set your own unique password for each site. Otherwise, if one password is disclosed, then all other resources where the trader is registered will also be under threat of hacking. If you use the same password on all websites, then you should know that this is the big gap in the protection of personal data. Passwords and browser. It's very difficult to remember a complex and unique password. Many users store them in the text documents or in the browser's password storage. But it's important to remember that it's unsecure because it's the first place where a hacker will go to try and steal your data. Therefore, we don't recommend storing your data in the browser. Password manager. Password managers can store and generate new passwords. Companies developing password managers use the latest technologies in the field of protection and encryption, so this method can be considered more reliable and convenient. Getting used to using a password manager will take some time, but it's useful. The only thing you need is to set a complex and unique password for the manager. Log into it from trusted devices and use two-factor authentication. Accounts checking. Sometimes it happens that the services you use hack and steal the personal data of users and then publish them on network, for example on darknet. You can check data for leakage using various aggregators, but this can be dangerous due to the likelihood of stumbling upon phishing. What is phishing? This is a deception method to obtain personal data. An example of phishing looks like this. You receive an email from a person or company you know, for example Binance. The email asks you to follow a link or download an attachment, but this link may be malicious and contain a virus. So be careful and check the recipients. This is the common technique for hackers. We recommend using the data verification feature through the password manager. In short, it works like this. You enter your email or login and the password manager checks databases, and if it finds a match, it gives the user a notification. Password updates. One last rule is to update your passwords. If your password is already quite old, then you should change it. Changing your passwords on a regular basis helps you to reduce the chances of your password being stolen. However, many companies consider this method as outdated, but we still feel the need to use it. Okay guys, let's make a conclusion. Ensuring the security of your own data is a very important task. I propose to repeat the main things. First, create a complex and unique password. Don't use the same password on all sites. Second, don't store passwords in the browser storage. Third, use a password manager and store them there. Fourth, check for data leaking. Fifth, update the password on a regular basis. Okay guys, in this video we talked about the basic rules of working with passwords. If you have any questions, write them in comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press thumbs and be safe. Goodbye guys.